The Rolls-Royce Merlin engine was one of the famous engines powering the Spitfire during the war. This engine didn't just power a plane, it helped win a war. The Rolls-Royce Merlin was a 27-litre V12 piston engine that delivered over 1,000 horsepower in its early versions, with later engines receiving a series of rapidly applied developments adding over 1,600 horsepower. It gave the legendary Supermarine Spitfire the speed and agility to dominate the skies during its many battles over Britain and foreign skies. The Merlin engine became a symbol of British engineering excellence and power. Although the second of the engines, the Rolls-Royce Griffon, was a more powerful engine fitted to some of the later marks of the Spitfire. But that's for another video, so let's get back to the Merlin engine. The Merlin wasn't just in the Spitfire, it also powered the Hurricane, Lancaster bomber, and even the P-51 Mustang. And many other aircraft used this Merlin engine and were adapted and updated accordingly. These aircraft couldn't have flown without it. So, without the Rolls-Royce Merlin, the outcome of the war could have been very different. So next time you see a Spitfire, remember the roar of the Merlin engine. It's a sound that echoes the courage and determination of a generation. Just take a listen to this gorgeous sound, that of which I am certain will give you chills.